Welcome back. Now you can also customize your Dragon by making sure that you add in lists of words, and instead of doing them one by one, you can do them in multiples. And you'll notice that the format of this list is that each word is on a separate line. You'll also notice that the spoken form of the word is behind a backslash. And you'll see that here on this line, you'll see it here on this line, and you'll see it here for OneSheet and for Kindle eBook and Skillshare. And what we're doing is that we are adding to the Dragon vocabulary so that it will recognize these words, spell them correctly, and punctuate them correctly, as well as get the right case. This is something that you will not have to go back and correct when you're going through the process. Now, if you want to add these to your vocabulary, then you can use the phrase import custom words, and then you'll be able to open up the dialog. Now, right now, we do not have the dictation function on. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to this vocabulary tab. We're then going to click import list of words and phrases. We're then going to click next. Now we can add in multiple files, but we're going to right now add in the one file that we are using. What we're going to do now is we're going to click next. The analysis is then complete. We'll then click next. And we've now successfully added our list to Dragon Naturally Speaking. And once you're in the vocabulary editor, you should be able to find the word that you have imported into Dragon Naturally Speaking. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.